Hi, tonight I'm doing an introduction to my project panning group, and it's called Project Panning for Beginners. I set it up about 12 months ago and we have almost 200 members, and I am happy to say that it is a very nice bunch of ladies who support each other and encourage each other to succeed at panning. For those of us who like purchasing cosmetics, polishes, perfumes, whatever it may be that you like purchasing. So tonight I'm going to show you, this is in one of my project pans. It was a Smashbox lip product, and it is, as of tonight, empty. The last of it went on my lips for the video. I can't tell you what the name of it is because it has gone, but I always refer to it personally as, the Ruby Slippers shade, because it is extremely like Dorothy's Ruby Slippers in The Wizard of Oz. So that was it. I don't know whether it's still available or not. If it is, I would probably repurchase it because I absolutely love The Wizard of Oz and I love Dorothy and her ruby slippers. So that was a big hit, but at the same time, I'm quite happy I panned it. The second item I'm going to show you is a Benefit Eye Bright. It is their pencil, needs pairing. This is the second one I had. The first one I finished. Instead of white on the inner of your eye, it's a kind of a pink shade. So it looks slightly more natural than a white pencil. And I'm looking forward to finishing it and moving it out of the cosmetics I have stored, or indeed hoard, because I would be considered a cosmetic hoarder at this point in time. I'll be glad to get it out of my stash, hoard, collection, whatever you want to call it. That's 2. 3 is L'Airs du Temps by Nina Ricci. Beautiful perfume. I believe with the Dove it was made in 1945 roughly, just after the Second World War ended. The Dove is the sign of peace. I've been wearing it for years. I wore it on my wedding day. I love it. Empty. My children call it my perfume. So 1 down, 1 to go. And I will, without a doubt, repurchase that too. Now, the next thing I want to show you is shadows. I just covered it with a cotton pad so you're not blinded by the mirror. Browns. Down brown or brown down, I can't remember. The name isn't on the bottom of that MAC one because it came in a single and I depotted it. As you can see, I cracked it when I did depot it. This one, I know for a fact, is Texture by MAC. This one is Blanc type. There is a good dip in that and I'm almost hitting pan on it. This is a Bare Minerals. These two are MAC. As far as I know, this one is Swiss Chocolate by MAC. This is an Inglot one. And I believe that one is Croquette by MAC. And they're what I'm panning at present with my other palettes, my more colourful palettes, my more shimmery palettes. I'm grounding them with these matte shades by MAC, Inglot, Bare Minerals, and it's all in a Makeup Geek vault, which I find very handy. It's just the perfect size to fit all your little extra pans. One more look at that. Now, in a month's time, I will come back and give you another look at it to see how I've got on as regards panning. Thank you.